Good afternoon, everybody. Craft AP coming at you. It came to me last night while I wasn't sleeping that these two need to be married, and I needed to have some kind of a lens over top of this LED. I like the LED because these are daytime running lights and they will be amber turn signals. So this is what I came up with today. I took the nasty old Ford, pried it off of its housing, this one right there, and then I cut a hole in it, carefully sanded it, rattle canned it silver, and put a polycarbonate lens from the back with double-sided tape. I can live with that. I think it looks a little bit more finished. There's just not much I can do. Yes, I could have run two round ones. Yep, that's been done. I could use the stock ones. That would have been fine too, but I just wanted to change it up and give it a little bit more modern feel.
Well, here's what the original headlight off of the 92 Bronco looks like inside after you peel off that yellow lens. And that lens will come off. You just have to take some time. Then I took a piece of aluminum, 1/8 inch thick. I made a template of the new LED light, and then I went and cut it out on my scroll saw, but you could use a saber saw. Now that light will be held to the back of this plate with clear silicone because it has a flange and it will be rock solid. There it is, all mounted. I cut a hole in the original Ford yellowed lens and added a clear polycarbonate lens inside of the lens. And then I painted the original lens silver, just like it's shown here. And then everything just bolted right back in.